How to recover your contacts from your iPhone. So if you've accidentally deleted one of your contacts or you're missing contacts from your phone book, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways that we can go and restore these. Now, the very first thing you need to do is go and open up an internet browser, and we need to head over to the website iCloud.com, and you can then press sign in. Now, you'll need to go and sign in with your iCloud account, and this needs to be the same account that you're signed into on your iPhone. Now, once you are signed in, you can click on this square icon in the top navigation. You can then scroll down and click on data recovery. Scroll down again and you'll see restore contacts. Click on this. And what you can do here is go and restore your contacts from an earlier point in time. So you can see here are all my different backups, and these are the different dates I can go and restore my contacts to. So for example, if all of your contacts were working on a specific date, then you can go and restore that particular backup. So I'm just going to click on any of these like so, and then you can go and press restore. So once that's finished restoring, it should go and appear on your iPhone. To make sure it's working, just go and open up the settings application. You can then click on your profile name at the top of this window, click on iCloud, click on see all, and then scroll down to contacts and make sure this is turned on and enabled. You can then head over to your phone book and your contacts should now be restored. If it's not working, another thing you can do is open back up that settings page. From the main settings window, scroll right down to the bottom and click on apps. Then scroll down again until you see the mail app and go and click on mail. Now click on mail accounts. And if you've ever signed in with a Google account on this iPhone, then you can try restoring your contacts from that particular account. So if you just go and press add account, click on Google. You can then sign in with your Google account, and once you're signed in, it should look like this, and you can go and make sure contacts is turned on and enabled. And once you've done that, your contacts should now be restored. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.